इस वीडियो में हम 24 मई से 30 मई तक के करंट अफेयर्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, रिसेंटली वर्ल्ड बैंक अनाउंस्ड $160 बिलियन हेल्प टू 100 डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज। व्हाट इज द मोटो ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बैंक? आंसर इज वर्किंग फॉर द वर्ल्ड फ्री ऑफ पॉवर्टी। Next, second question is, who has been appointed as the chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Public Service Commission? Answer is B.R. Sharma. Next question, question 3 is, who has launched its 100% cricket leading the game webinar series bringing all world leaders together to celebrate women's cricket? Answer is ICC. Next question, question 4 is, Ayushman Bharat scheme was launched in which year? Answer is 2018. Question 5 is, Flipkart has partnership with which insurance company for digital motor insurance policy to customers of Flipkart? Answer is Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company. Next, sixth question is, Karmadhya Granth is dedicated to which Indian personality? Answer is Narendra Modi. Next question, question number 7 is, recently who has been appointed as the national president of FICCI Ladies Organization, that is FLO? Answer is Janabi Fukam. Question number 8 is, recently Facebook has partnered to train offline retailers to go digital on social media platforms. Answer is Samsung. Question number 9 is, name the country which has launched a new space defense unit to monitor and counter threats to the country's satellites. Answer is Japan. Next question, question number 10 is, recently Union Cabinet has approved the extension of senior citizens pension scheme named Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana till which year? Answer is 2013. Next question, question number 11 is, recently IRDAI has approved which bank's proposal to continue with 30% holding in India's first life insurance? Answer is Union Bank of India. Question number 12 is, legendary player Balbir Singh Dushanj passed away. He was related to which field? Answer is hockey. Part of 3-time Olympic gold medal winning team London, Helsinki, Melbourne. Next question, question number 13 is, which state granted industry status to reports? Answer is Mizoram. Question number 14 is, Mohit Baghel passed away. He was related to which field? Answer is acting. Question number 15 is, on which day Commonwealth Day is observed to make the birth anniversary of Queen Victoria? Answer is 24th May. Next question. Question number 16 is, on which day International Day to End Obstetric Fistula is observed? Answer is 23rd May. Question number 17 is, which state has released its first tranche of restart package? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 18 is, who has been appointed as the World Bank Practice Manager for Climate Change and Disaster Risk Management for South Asia? Answer is Abbas Jha. Next question. Question number 19 is which state has launched Shram Siddhi Abhiyan to provide jobs to laborer workers? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question, question 20 is which state has imposed 50% special COVID fee on retail price of liquor in case of home delivery? Answer is Odisha. Next question, question number 21 is on which day International Missing Children Day is observed? Answer is 25th May. Next question, question number 22 is which state CM announced to give 4 lakh rupees to their family if patient dies due to COVID-19? Answer is Bihar. Next question, question number 23 is the Tsai Ing-wen has become the president of which country? Answer is Taiwan. Next question, question 24 is on which day World Thyroid Day is observed? Answer is 25th May. Question number 25th is who inaugurated the Indian Dispute Resolution Center in New Delhi? Answer is Justice A.K. Sikri. Next question, question 26 is the Reserve Bank of India has announced for the extension of loan payment moratorium to borrowers for another how many months? Answer is 3 months. Question number 27 is who will be awarded with UN Military Gender Advocate Award 2019 on the occasion of International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers? Answer is Suman Gawani. Question number 28 is who has become the India next ambassador to Niger? Answer is Prem K. Nari. Question number 29 is which state has become the first to release a report highlighting its conservation efforts and has saved over 1100 rare plants from extinction? Answer is Uttarakhand. Question number 30 is who developed an AI based attendance application? Answer is Research Center Imarat RCI DRDO. Next question, question number 31 is Hindustan Insecticides Limited India has announced to supply 25 tons of pesticides to which of the country to control locust invasion? Answer is Iran. Question number 32 is recently which company has announced a partnership with Kolamandalam Investment and Finance Company and launched buy now pay later offer? Answer is Maruti Suzuki. Question number 33 is who will launch Indian Air Force squadron called the number 18 Flying Bullets with the fleet of light combat aircraft near Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu? Answer is RKS Bhaduria. Question number 34 is who has been elected as the new president of New Development Bank? Answer is Marcos Trojo. Question number 35 is recently Flipkart signs MOU with Karnataka Mango Board to support and empower mango farmers using online platforms. Who is the CEO of Flipkart? Answer is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Question number 36 is, recently SEBI imposed a penalty of rupees 7 lakh rupees on the National Highway Authority of India for delay in disclosing half yearly financial results from financial year 16 to financial year 19. Who is the chairman of SEBI? Answer is Ajay Tyagi. Question number 37 is, who is the MD and CEO of National Payments Corporation of India? Answer is Dilip SB. Next question. Question number 38 is, who has launched the Catch-up application? Answer is Facebook. Next question. Question number 39 is, the 36th National Games 2020 is postponed indefinitely due to COVID-19. It was to be held in, answer is Goa. Next question, question 40 is, who has become the first woman DGP of Kerala? Answer is R. Shrirekha. Question number 41 is, who has become the new CEO and MD of Wipro? Answer is Therapy Delaporte. Question number 42 is, cricketer Sheshnan Madhushanka has been suspended after heroin test. He plays for which country? Answer is Sri Lanka. Question number 43 is, on which day International Day of UN Peacekeepers is observed? Answer is 29th May. Question number 44 is, World Hunger Day is observed on which day? Answer is 28th May. Question number 45 is, who has won Christophe Marioux Prize for developing a tropical gel which could stop women for catching HIV virus? Answer is Quarisha Edol Karim.